For question 4, I want you to look at all of the ERP related questions together, 2, 3, 4, and 11. So let's go to jump, and we're going to say analyze multivariate methods, multivariate. We're going to take all 4 of these together, and again at the bottom down here I changed this so that I have pairwise and lower triangle. I'm going to click OK. Oops, looks like, oh no, looks like I got them. And so here they are. I've got each of the variables here against each of the other variables. If I expand these out, it's a little bit easier to read the scatter plot matrices that I have here. I can add the correlation coefficients here, and I can also then go up here and say, show me the pairwise correlations. Pairwise correlations. Now for this, because this table is a little bit hard to reproduce into the Word document, what I advised doing was saying right click on it, say make into a data table, which puts it into another jump table, and then if you highlight all the rows and highlight all the columns, you can do things like say edit, copy with column names. You could go back to Excel if you wanted to, and you could paste this into Excel. Then you could easily sort on the significance probability. For example, let's say sort, custom sorts, significant probability. That's going to be lowest to highest, except for this less than, which actually belongs up here. Let's just move that back up here, and we'll just move that back up there. Okay, so now this is showing us what the most significant relationships are, and also the direction of the correlation. So the highest is between 4A and 3A. So what this is saying is as the interaction quality of ERP increases, more quality interactions lead to higher value of information received. And that's still a relatively weak correlation here. This is also saying that more times we seek information, the more value we get. The more times we seek information, the more knowledge we get. So all of those are statistically significant. We also have one more that says as we have better interaction quality, we get more knowledge. So all 4 of these actually reinforce each other. You know, looking back at the scatter plot in jump, we can see where these relationships look like. It's a little bit easier if you even go here and say fit a line to them, and then you can actually see what the direction is of that. So in the Word document, what we wanted to do was do something like copy this table, which would be perfectly fine to do. So let's put some boundaries on that, and then go back, hit Control C, and we could just go back here and copy it right in. There it is. And so it says sort them in descending order of the strength of the correlation. That's what I've got. And now we need to draw our conclusion about this. And it does not seem that there are any relationships here that are putting the help desk at risk. So we would say that we still think the quality of service does not put the help desk at risk.